Hey everybody, Adam here and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the windshield wipers on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and similar to other vehicles we've done. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get it done. Alright guys, so what we got to do is pull this little clip right here up. That's the main part. Then on the side there's a little tab right here that has this little arrow. I know it's not focused. Anyway, it's got a little arrow pointing up. Pull it up. It slides right down. Okay, then you end up with just this little hook. Putting them back on is basically the same as taking it back off. Now guys, don't forget you got to take this yellow strip off of here on these Rain-X Latitude blades. Alright guys, now to put it back on, it clicks up and that snaps on. That's all you got to do. Let's do the other side. This one we can get right here. Snap it up, pull that tab, and there you go. We'll fold it up so it's not on the glass. Alright, now it's the same thing. Lay it down until it clicks. Until that clicks. Ta-da! Alright guys, that's how you do the brand new windshield wipers on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. I appreciate y'all watching. Just remember to like, share, subscribe, and follow on the new Instagram channel. You know the routine. And we will see you next time.